Got a Ducati Streetfighter, the Lamborghini edition. What a cool bike. It's just got a couple little problems. Got a crack there. I'm gonna throw these parts on it and then it'll be all the way back to new. Believe it or not, these few parts right here are $2,500 worth of parts. So we're gonna get those slapped on. Got everything off it. We're gonna start putting everything back on. Try to stick the bolts into the parts. That way every bolt goes exactly where it was supposed to be. I don't like it if the bolts aren't in the right places. Let's start putting it back together. Got this piece in first. That snaps in. This first plastic piece on, and we can start putting the cool looking stuff on. All the carbon fiber and the paint, pretty much everything's carbon fiber on this thing. Gonna stick this upper piece back on first. It's got a couple pins that you got to get lined up. Go behind there. Got that pin in. Lined up for that pin. That snaps down. These top pieces have a little plastic washer on them. I don't know if you can see that or not. We got 3 hidden back behind here, 2 up top, and 1 right there. Gonna put the carbon fiber piece on. There's a bolt on the bottom, then there's 1 hidden behind. And it has this little thing here, you gotta slide it on and have it catch. Which is nice because it kind of holds it in place for you. There. All right, we'll get that cinched down. Got the lower piece here. Got 1, 2. It's got 1 you get to it from behind, right there. that cinch down, and then we'll start putting the wings back on. All right, let's put some wings on and button this thing up. Now let's put the last wing on and it's all done. There we go. I just want to thank you for stopping by, especially if you watched the whole video. This is the first bike in a long time that I worked on where I actually didn't have to paint anything. That's not very normal for me. I'm usually fixing scratches and stuff with paint, but these parts are all available, so they got replaced. And as always, if you like motorcycle content, please check out the rest of the channel. I got a lot of other stuff on there.